Hello friends, this is Miss Rini, your virtual teacher's assistant, and today I am going to show you how to make toothpaste with your kids. As we wrap up this lesson on hygiene, I thought it'd be really cool to give you a do-it-yourself activity that you can do with your children. So we're going to make some toothpaste. So I have coconut oil in the bowl already. You're going to need about 4 tablespoons. I have baking soda in this cup right here. You need 2 tablespoons of baking soda. I have pink Himalayan sea salt in this little cup right here. You're going to need about a half a teaspoon of that. And I have essential oils. I have peppermint and lime. You can use whatever mixture of essential oils as long as it's safe to put in your mouth. Also, you may want to add a sweetener to it. You're going to want to look for a sweetener that is not going to damage your child's teeth. I suggest xylitol, 1 tablespoon of that. So what you're going to do is mix everything in the bowl. So I have my baking soda. I have my salt. And I'm going to do 10 drops of peppermint. And I'm going to do about 5 drops of lime. I am not going to add sweetener to mine. I prefer not to, but it's up to you. And then you're going to mix it all together. It'd be easier if the coconut oil is melted. And that is all good. You got your easy toothpaste. And why I say toothpaste, I don't know if you heard of oil pulling, but they usually suggest using coconut oil because it pulls out all the toxins out of your mouth. So coconut oil for this recipe is ideal in my opinion. And that is all. So if you found this video helpful and you like it, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. I hope to see you soon. Bye.